Shensia has a secret surprise for her fans. Chanel Muir keeps karaoke on her live, and dancehall queen Nikki shows off her new designer body.
Nikki, where you do your body? I did my body, a designer body in Dominican Republic. Yes. Any more questions?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everyone is doing well out there today. So people, we have some stories to talk about. We're going to talk about Shensia. You know, it wasn't that obvious, but once she said it, that she haven't released no song since 2021, it just become like clear like a show. You know what I mean? She only had that song with she and Mayan, and it was Mayan's song. But people, before we get into all that, let's talk about dancehall queen Nikisha. She's the latest to get her body done, and she showed it off last night on Chat and Laugh, even though we did see it already on our page. But take a look at this.
Yeah. I like your vibes already.
Nikki, where you do your body? I did my body, a designer body in Dominican Republic. Yes. Any more questions?
Hold on there.
Thanks, guys. No, Nikki always the fans.
I want to stop sending me message in my WhatsApp. If I want to ask her any question, you know, and I pin up on WhatsApp every minute. All right, people are coming to add them.
But I don't know why they continue to come out.
You're right.
Yo,
Hello?
media work, but the one thing me have to say, you see out of the whole of the designer body them, cause when you did that with such man, but it feel like same obvious I made. But I'm gonna do all unfollow you, Nikki. Me I tell you the truth. But you see when you come out with that body there, me don't know what designer body must like you. Because them spend time on that the body there. Out of the whole of them girl, you come right out. The rest of them are batch dolly. You? Yes, girl.
Thank you.
You come right out. Yeah, you come out. I'm going to come there
Thank
work.
you, baby. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, people, so when you see what I go on, when you see the shape, when you see everything, right? So obviously she fully heal up on everything, and she have some new music out, people. Last night Lava did a play some more song them. I wanna already know the one with Sanka. At least me know that one them. I don't know if you don't know it. But I encourage you to check out her music, cause she don't sound too bad. You see me? I remember say she did have the song with Marvin from way back. Clean and fresh, you see me? So she been a do her thing, but people, she have a new energy, her beer smile, she a smile. I'ma understand, you see me? So big up dancehall queen Nikisha one more time. Now people, we are gonna move on and we are gonna talk about Shensia, right? Some see the Shenyang them a pressure Shensia, say with the new music they from where there. But people, she a make it obvious and I say, yo, she not really drop nothing from 2021 because she have a big surprise. Me feel like it's an album. You see me I say, feel like it's an album. But more I want to tell me down in the comment section, especially the Shenyang them one thing, right? And I think it's an album because she said the album they done already from time. You see what I say? She just will put it out. So maybe she will out now put out no song because of that.
What's up, guys? What's happening? I know y'all been waiting for new music, but it's on its way. As I said before, I'm waiting and making sure that it's perfect before I release. But you got a new chapter coming up, and it's gonna be amazing. Amazing. And you guys have always supported me, so I have no doubt that you will this time. And you're gonna love it too. How's life as an artist? It's good. I'm living my dream, literally. And I feel like it fits my personality. Where is the music? Yo, you're mocking me. It's coming, it's coming. Jeez. I haven't released anything since the starting of 2021. Y'all are not used to this. I am not used to this. But it's for a good reason. Trust me, guys. But last year, I wanna know all of the songs that mom released from last year? We released what dropped last year? One bugger song. Limited edition. Side chick song. Wasabi.
Good comfort.
Good comfort. Oh, I love this song. Oh.
Rebel.
Rebel. Rebel dropped last year.
Upset.
Upset. Dropped last year. What else? Sure dropped last year. That's 7 so far. What else? Think we count over 12 songs, you know.
Enough song, can't remember.
Can't remember. So we can't even.
I get a song here. First trend. And that's it.
We sang that day.
Potential man.
Potential Man as 8. What else? Enough me release, man.
So right before it cut off, she did ask the Shenyang them what some of the other song them was she released in 2020. So if you are a Shenyang and you know some song where she never mentioned, just put it in the comment section, right? But people like me say, me think she a work on an album because, or not work on, because she did say it already done, but me think them are going to release it. You hear she a say it's not her option for not release the music and she not used to it and uno not used to it. I mean I talk about the Shenyang them, right? So more than likely it's an album. So wanna tell me what I think down in the comment section. Now people, let's talk about Chanel Muir, the voice of an angel. She has the voice of an angel. So she did the on her live and she has sing some song. Anytime I want to know any kind of soul song, love song, you know what I mean, and I check Chanel Muir, she know all of them. So she has sing that song, I never know who sing it, but it bad.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away standing in front of me. Every breath. Somebody said I should pull it up.
If anybody know the name of that song now, put it down in the comment section for me, please. Because I know say some people are going to ask how we sing. Because I can't me alone. You see me? Anytime Chanel Muir sing, it just melt my heart. You see me? So big up the top girl. I love her voice. You see me, people? And you can tell so she's an all-rounder when it comes to music. Because Anna does fear music alone. She pretty much like every music from what I see. So people, that's the end of today's video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now everybody wanna big up on yourself. Stay safe out there. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. You know what I mean? Keep safe out there. We live in a dangerous world in these days, so wanna stay safe, people. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.